Question number 24. A planet has an given albedo and emissivity. Albedo, letter alpha, emissivity, E. When you say alpha and E are given, you should know that alpha plus E equal to constant 1. The average intensity received at the surface is IS. Okay. So therefore, IS divided by I. What is this IS over here, right? IS is nothing but the received intensity. So what I will do is, this will be in the received intensity and this will be I scattered. Let me write this I1 here. Okay, is equal to alpha, which describes the variation of surface temperature T with IS. Okay, now what we do is I1 by IS equal to alpha, true, but now part of it will get scattered and part of it will get reflected, okay, or re-radiated. Okay, so now when you say about re-radiated, this IS is what is get radiated. So I can now write this as something like alpha times IS. Alpha times IS is equal to I1. This I1, what is I1 here? The reflected one. Now this should now be equal to sigma T power 4, right? So therefore I1 is equal to sigma T power 4, and now what I can do is that what is being given here? So this is an IS is given here. It's brought to the graph of IS versus C. Okay, so what I will do is I will write IS is equal to sigma by alpha into T to the power of 4. I'll write something like this. Okay, or in other words, I have now it's a plot of T versus IS, right? And right, T is proportional to, or T is equal to sigma by alpha whole to the power of 1 by 4 into IS to the power of 1 by 4. Okay, I have an equation like this over here. Now you see, T is proportional to IS to the power of 1 by 4, not proportional to IS. So therefore, definitely it is not a straight line. So this is incorrect. Now, what about this? It's proportional to 1 power of 1 by 4 over here. It's not proportional to I square, I cube, I power 4 and so on. So therefore, you cannot have an exponentially increasing over here. So this is also incorrect. Now let us look at the next one here. Now since it's proportional to IS to the power of 1 by 4, this could be the right answer. Why this is the right answer? Why not this one here? Because at T equal to 0, what is the intensity here? Okay, IS will also be 0 when T equal to 0 over here. Okay, but here you see at T equal to 0, T equal to 0, IS has a much larger value. It is going to infinity over here. So therefore, this is also incorrect. So based on the elimination of options, you can now say C could be the right answer. Okay.